All right, today we're gonna bring a pack of gloves, and these are perfect for washing your face. This is the same material I use to wash my face and other places too in my body if I want to scrub down. They give you a pack completed with different multiple colors. We're gonna actually put it to a test. And before using them, make sure you wash them and you rinse them out with water, soften them up because they're a little hard. They're like, bristles are pretty strong, so you want to make sure you don't damage your face. So today we're just gonna demo it, and I got water already on the gloves, and the gloves are set to go. So get some moisturize if you can everywhere prior to setting up the soap. I like to do this once in a while, clean myself up. Make sure you have plenty of soap. So we're gonna grab some soap. Grab a little bit of soap if you guys can see it. Mix it around, and then just start scrubbing. Get nice into the pores itself. Especially men that have beard. A lot of particles, a lot of bacteria sits in the beard. So you want to make sure you scrub down. And that's one thing that people forget. They don't scrub down properly. And you massage yourself with the gloves. Now you're gonna get a little irritation, but that's fine, it'll go away. But with this, you could make sure that you get the soap underneath of it. Then when you're ready to go, wash your hands with it, rinse them out, smooth them out. And that's pretty much it. Those are the gloves. I use the gloves. We're gonna take a shower with them too, you know, but you're not gonna see that. So then we're just gonna finish up. Get the moisturizer going. For those that shaved, aftershave is pretty good. Rubbing it down, massaging it with the gloves. They come in handy. Very simple, easy to use, easy to wash too. One very important thing, they have little hooks too. Every single glove that you get, varieties, colors, like I said, you could hang them out, let the water just drip down. Of course, you know, I have to draw my face, but you could hang these in your shower head pretty much anywhere, especially with the hook. So mine is gonna be purple from now on, but multiple colors. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Alright guys, check out these face scrubbing gloves. Made out of a really nice material to scrub your face in. Right now she has on the green pair. What you want to do is you want to get them wet first, and then probably add some soap, which she has already done. And then you could see, you could just scrub your skin nicely. And it'll really help rub the soap in there, clean out your pores, get you nice and clean. Use it for your face, your arms, really wherever you want to scrub and get nice and clean. Check them out.